So here is a air pressure pen. It's from Tombow. It's a air pressure pen. Yes, you heard me right. Let me show you from the back. Air pressure, okay. I think it's written in Germany, but it's made in Japan. It's very weird. Can you see it or not? Let me throw the rubbish. Yeah. Can you see it or not? Okay. Let me just open it. Here we go. Okay. I like the translucent color a lot. And okay, for writing in every position on wet paper also. Let me just get some paper. I love paper. Let me try to write from a weird angle. How is that? Okay, let me draw a face. How is that? 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 How is my drawing? How is my drawing? How is my drawing? How is my drawing? So I personally love the translucent color here. I wanna show you mechanism. Can you see? It's a very nice pen to write with. It's very small, compact. I really like the hinge. As you can see, it can go far away. I think from now on, this is my personal favorite pen. I'm going to take everywhere with me. What do I have to say? Must buy. This is a must buy pen. I have become a fan of this pen. I love it overall. It was me, none other than Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.